In this video, I'll show you how to create a fully functional WooCommerce store in just a few simple steps. This process will take your WordPress site and turn it into a complete e-commerce shop with products, payments, and shipping all set up smoothly. To begin, head over to your WordPress dashboard and go to the plugins section. Select Add New and search for WooCommerce. When it appears, install it and activate it. Once activated, the setup wizard will automatically guide you through the basics, such as your store location, currency, the type of products you'll be selling, as well as shipping, taxes, and payment preferences. Make sure the details you enter are accurate because these settings determine how your store will function. Next, it's time to choose a store design. Go to Appearance and then Customize, where you can adjust your theme's layout, fonts, colors, and menus. Themes like Astra, Cadence, or Storefront work perfectly with WooCommerce and give you flexible customization options to match your brand's identity. With your store design ready, let's add products. Go to Products and choose Add New. Enter a product name, upload photos, write a description, and set your pricing. You can also organize items using categories and tags. If your product has variations such as different colors or sizes, choose the variable product option to manage those choices easily. Now, let's configure payments. Go to WooCommerce, open Settings, and click on Payments. Enable the gateways you want to offer such as PayPal or Stripe and connect them using your API keys. If possible, run a quick sandbox test to confirm everything works before going live. Shipping is equally important. Under WooCommerce Settings, open the Shipping tab and create your shipping zones. Add methods like flat rate, free shipping, or local pickup, and assign fees based on your business model. You can also enable tax calculations and manage tax rates in the tax section, or use automated plugins to handle this for you. Lastly, make sure inventory management is turned on so your stock levels stay accurate as customers start placing orders. And that's it. Your WooCommerce store is now set up, customized, and ready to start selling. Happy building and happy selling.